Lost your PNC card and panicking about unauthorized charges? Don't worry, I'll show you how to quickly lock it down using the PNC Mobile App. First, locate the PNC Mobile App on your phone and tap to open it. Make sure you have the latest version installed for the best experience. Next, log into your PNC account using your username and password, or your fingerprint if you have that set up. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard. Look for the Accounts tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen, and tap it. This will display a list of all your PNC accounts. Find the debit or credit card you want to lock and tap on it. Now you're on the card details page. Scroll down until you see the Manage Card option. It might also say Card Services or something similar. Tap on that. A new set of options will appear. Look for Lock Card or Temporarily Lock Card. The wording might vary slightly, but it should be clear. Tap on that option. You'll now see a confirmation screen. It will likely have a toggle switch. Slide the switch to the on or locked position. You should now see a confirmation message saying your card is locked. This means no one can use it for purchases or withdrawals. You'll also see an option to unlock card. If you find it, that's it. Your card is now temporarily locked, providing you with peace of mind until you locate it. If you need to unlock it, just follow the same steps and toggle the switch back to the unlocked position.